You're choosing a single oven paired with either a steam oven or a speed oven instead of a double. That's a smart move. Here's what you need to know. They do different things. Pick the wrong one, you spend real money on an appliance you probably won't use. I have a steam oven at home. I cook everything in it. In my opinion, it makes food taste better than a regular oven, but it's not for everyone. In this video, I'll tell you what each one actually does, what's better for you, and the 3 brands worth considering. One of them is a speed oven, and that actually does something really unusual. Steam oven uses water and heat. Steam gets sent into the cavity while it cooks and your food doesn't dry out. The good news is new steam ovens are much easier to learn and more intuitive than they used to be. I have the new Wolf at home. It has 3 reheat modes. Regular reheat for most things. Reheat humid keeps rice and pasta from drying out. Reheat crispies gets my daughter's chicken tenders back to crispy. The food tastes better than it did the first time. Neither a microwave nor a regular oven can do that. Here's where you can get it wrong. A steam oven is not a microwave replacement. You can't put popcorn in it. You can't warm a cup of coffee. If what you actually want is a fast way to heat small stuff, a steam oven will frustrate you. But steam is great. If you're cooking or reheating real meals and you care about how the food tastes, skip it if you want a microwave replacement. Now speed. Speed oven uses microwave energy and convection heat at the same time. Microwave does the fast part. The convection does the oven part. You get microwave speed with something closer to oven results. In our showroom, our chef cooked a whole pan of potatoes au gratin in a speed oven, 18 minutes, perfectly brown. No regular oven does that in 18 minutes, and no microwave browns like that at all. Here's what speed ovens are built for. Single dishes, fast, roasted potatoes in 18 minutes, frozen pizza that actually crisps. Here's what a speed oven is not. It's not an oven replacement. And is not the tool for a multi-course dinner where you want rice, vegetables, and a protein all finishing at the same time. Speed oven is also the only one of the 2 that replaces a microwave. Popcorn, coffee, quick reheats, all fine. If it's still confusing, we demo both 5 days a week in our stores so you can see them in person and decide for yourself. Now let's talk about the 3 ovens to consider. 2 steam, 1 speed. Wolf is the easiest steam oven to learn. Gourmet button, gourmet plus button. Pick your food, hit the button, the oven calculates the settings. You're not learning how to cook with steam. You're picking chicken and hitting a button. That's why I have one at home. Reheat is easy. Cooking is easy. You use it the day it's installed. Miele and Wolf are a lot alike. Wolf is slightly better for reheating, but Miele adds something Wolf and the others don't. Menu Cook. Here's what Menu Cook does. You're making chicken, a starch, and a vegetable. You program the meal in. Miele walks you through it. It'll prompt you to put the starch in first, then it'll beep for the protein, then the vegetable. Everything finishes at the same time. That's a real difference. Normally, you're cooking 3 things on different timers and hoping they all land together. Miele does the timing for you. And it's great if you want to cook full multi-course meals in one oven. Remember the 18-minute potatoes au gratin from earlier? That was the Advantium. Here's why no other speed oven does that. The Advantium can combine microwave convection and halogen heat depending on what you're cooking. The halogen bulbs are what no one else has. They throw focused heat at the food from above. That's what gets you the browning no regular speed oven can match. It also has 175 preset recipes. Pick the food, the oven picks the settings. Advantium is great if you want speed and the best browning. Steam is for better food, speed is for faster food. Pick the one that fits how you cook. If you want to see them in action, we demo both 5 days a week. Come see how they actually perform. We also install and service steam and speed ovens. If you want to see how we rank the best steam ovens, you can click this video, and thanks for watching.